Ever wished you could unlock the full potential of your Google site and truly understand how visitors are interacting with it? Today, we're diving into how to add Google Tag Manager, or GTM, to your Google site, opening the door to powerful tracking and insightful website analysis. Let's get started. First things first, you need a Google Tag Manager account if you don't have one. Head over to tagmanagergoogle.com and create a new container for your website. Make sure you're choosing web when prompted for the target platform. Now, once you've created your container, Google Tag Manager will generate 2 bits of code. One part goes in the head section of your site's HTML, and the other immediately after the opening body tag. Keep these handy, we'll need them shortly. Next, log into your Google site and go to the page you want to track or your entire site's settings, which can generally be found via the settings or 3 dots menu. Click on embed. Here's where the magic will start. Select the option to embed the code using HTML, not the URL. You'll be inserting your GTM code right into your site's structure. Paste the first part of the GTM provided code, the head section code, right into the HTML of the embedding portion. Follow the same approach, and in the same site settings in this embedding option, you'll also paste the second portion of the Google Tag Manager code, the body section, directly after the tag. Press next and publish your site. You've successfully added GTM to your Google site. Now, within your GTM account, you can create tags to track page views, clicks, form submissions, and all sorts of other interactions. Create a new tag to track page views. Set up a trigger for all page views. Publish your changes in GTM. Give it some time for Google Tag Manager to gather the data, and then head over to Google Analytics to see your visitors' behavior. You can now unlock powerful data analysis, improve your site's performance, and optimize your Google site for success, taking your website analysis to the next level.